Okie dokie, today we are doing the derivative of this scary looking thing. Just basically derivatives of trigonometric ratios. So to solve this one, I'm going to start with the product rule, so I'm going to make that u. I'm going to make the parentheses v, because as scary as it is, those are just all being added together. So u prime is going to equal negative sine x, because if we take the derivative of cosine, we're going to get negative sine x. And then the derivative of v is going to equal negative cosecant squared plus secant tangent plus cosine x. Awesome. And then for the product rule, that is going to be u prime v plus u v prime. So now we plug that in. So u prime, it's going to be negative sine x times v, which is cotangent x plus secant x plus sine x. And then that would be v plus u, which is cosine x times v prime. And v prime is going to be negative cosecant squared x plus secant x tangent x plus cosine. I just got that from up here when we found that earlier. So next is kind of where the hard part comes in. So I'm going to have cotangent, I'm going to change that into cosine over sine. Then I'm going to have minus sine x over cosine x, because secant is 1 over cosine. And then I have, this says minus sine squared x. So we have a sine times a sine, and then it's negative because of this negative sign right there. I'm going to have all that plus, and so these signs are going to cancel out, so I just have cosine over here, plus cosine x over sine squared x, plus tangent x, because secant is going to go to 1 over cosine, and then this cosine and this cosine cancel out. So just tangent there. And then I have sine times cosine. So this cosine, is that right? I don't know. No, that would be cosine squared x. Almost done. So now we would just take this, and I have cosine x minus, these tangents are going to cancel out, sine squared x plus, let's see, plus cosine x over sine squared x plus cosine squared x. And so that would be the final answer. It's a big problem, but basically the idea is to take away from it. Start with the problem, identify how we're going to do it, product rule, identify your pieces, put the pieces in, plug them in, and then simplify. That's all we really did here. It looks big and scary, but it's not that bad. Thanks for watching.